Hi, I'm Joe, your Kwant AI expert. Today, we will be going over how to onboard a new crew under 2 minutes. Let's say ABC electricians missed their safety orientation this morning. To begin, we'll head over to the Companies tab, where we'll see a list of companies currently enrolled on Kwant. We'll go to Add Company, fill in the important details at minimum, which would be company name, email, and phone number. Now that a company has been added, workers can be added two ways. The first way is through onboarding themselves. Workers can go to a Kwant-generated QR code that will lead them to the onboarding. The specific onboarding will look like this form. In this case, it would be a general onboarding asking for the following personal information. It would be asking for an OSHA 10, forklift license, a quick safety orientation video, and a quick quiz at the end. The second way to add workers would be to go to the Workers tab, click on the three dots, where you can go ahead and upload an actual Excel sheet by downloading this worker upload template and then uploading this onto the Kwant platform. In addition, if you're using Procore or HammerTech, we can integrate those platforms onto Kwant to sync the actual work information onto our platform. You can now onboard a crew under 2 minutes. Take care and see you in the next one.